Comes pre-cut with layers, bleached knots. You get lots of parting space, so you can get the deal. And one thing I love about this wig is it's already pre-cut, pre-styled into layers, so all I have to do really is just install it, straighten out the hair a bit. This wig does come with some really small knots. As you can see, they can be undetectable. They do bleach the knots for you with this wig. The hairline is pre-plucked. It's not super pre-plucked, it's plucked just enough. You can wear naturally straight out the box, so you can create a nice hairline with this style. Here is the finished results. This wig was so easy to style. Straight out the box, it was just like easy. Again, this is a 13x6 wig and it comes pre-cut with layers. Also has bleached knots. It has everything that you need. Rather than that, the hair is gorgeous straight out the box. It's clean. There's no smell. It smells amazing. Also, this is the natural color of the wig.